Hi there, hi boys and girls, we are back for the third Sudoku, and you will like this. This one is a binary puzzle, number 2110. In this additional with extra Sudokus, in today's newspaper on a Monday, January the 4th, 2021. Yes. The third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku, and let me count. Let me see what kind of binary puzzle this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's in a row or in a column. All right, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. And then double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Let me see. 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row. In this row, not allowed. One of the rules. So no 3 digits of the same in a row or in a column. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then 1, 2, 3, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3 ones. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Then do we need to compare? Is the question. I cannot compare. Do we? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Do we? 1010. Yeah. The 4th column and the 1st column. Empty box. 0011. Empty box. 0011. 0011. Yeah. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have a O there. This should be a 1. Now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O here. Here 1, there 1. Double one here, here and O, there no. Double O here, here and one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then, do we need to compare again? Yes, I think we need to compare again. Double 1001. Do we have here? Yeah. This row and that row. Empty box, 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. Yes, we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Yes, complete in 6 minutes. 2 times, yes, twice. I need to compare with the rows and with the columns. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a few seconds, boys and girls, for the last Sudoku. It's a tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.